So we start with implementation project. First, dalam kita punya solution yang semalam tu, you will see many types of projects that you will be handling, okay? Whether it's operational level, yeah. Operational level ni selalunya bila kita solve this problem, you will see that perubahan selalu berlaku kepada standing instruction, kepada SOP, kepada checklist, ya. Dia itu adalah most of the changes yang akan berlaku di peringkat operational. However, not to say that walaupun kita boleh gunakan kuasa kita legitimizingly use our power to influence the operation, tetapi baguslah kita ni kalau kita a project manager who manage to inspire change humanizingly. Level yang atas sikit daripada the front lines or the doers are the tactical, the managers. Selalunya managers HOD ni dia dapat projek-projek yang untuk impact change ni. That's why we say in Olive House semua HOD have to think of 1 or 2 initiative dan dia nak deliver for each annual business plan, kan? So these are the thing. Kalau dia tak lead project tu pun dia mesti be part of that project. Okay, so project level ni kalau kita tengok project management, stage gate, critical path ni selalunya level task force or steering committee will do the decision making. Then you will have a strategic level. You will have benda seperti perubahan kepada value chain, perubahan kepada strategi pemasaran, perubahan kepada strategi supply, saya. So yang tu ada top management sudahlah ya. But at a higher level, contohnya after COVID-19 ni yang berubah bukan setakat SOP, bukan tactical, bukan strategi. Perubahannya adalah perubahan dasar, which is maybe the business model itself has to change. Jadi bila dia kena berubah yang tu, dia lebih tinggilah kasta untuk kita pergi present and dapat approval for the projects. Okay, I hope you have that tips lah. Ni sebenarnya tips pun bukan rule lah ya. Then you will see what level of your project and who you should see. So you will see that we also structure dekat dalam Olive House and other clients yang kita tolong structurekan dia punya inisiatif. Di dalam project management ni ada beberapa role penting seperti sponsor, champion, sponsor, champion, driver. Satu lagi apa? Itu je lah. Right? Custodian. Custodian, okay, alright. So project management, change project can be driven by anybody in the organisation. Tak perlu department yang sama, tak perlu the same subject matter expert, tak perlu. It can be just anybody who wants to be a good leader lah, the driver. So dia kena belajar teknik manage project, dan kemudian semasa project implementation dia kena carilah the right talent to implement. Okay, so that is the driver. So normally project management is handled by the driver itself, yeah. So selalunya kita tengok dalam satu syarikat atau organisasi, dia akan ada banyak area to improve. Okay, performance is one area, maybe HR is one area, maybe sales is one area. So banyak-banyak area lah depending on how they scope their situational assessment. And this area normally given to certain champion to make sure that it's aligned with the company strategic trust and strategic planning apalah ya. So that's the role of the champion untuk memastikan projek-projek kecil-kecil ni dia tak hilang arah. Okay? Contohnya lah Bia will be championing the automation. Dalam automation tu sendiri ada berpuluh projek dan maybe dia ada 4-5 driver yang drive the project. And the custodian is not Bia. The custodian is the people who they do that automation project tu. Kalau dia tolong orang sales lah custodian. Kalau dia tolong marketing lah. Kalau dia tolong supply chain. So that is custodian. Custodian is their customer. Okay, who will now receive the project and implement it for some time. Kalau tak ada custodian, kadang-kadang projek tu kita buat, kita pun tendang masuk gol. Kan? Katalah projek kita tu bola, kita pun tendang masuk gol, maksudnya siaplah projek tu, deliver lah objektif tu. Lepas tu tak ada apa-apa dah berlaku. Yeah, there's no more goal after that and it's just end up like that, then nobody know what happened. Tapi bila tanya, dulu kita pernah buat projek ni, tapi tak tahu siapa. That has happened many times in our organisation. So in my talk series malam tu untuk the Aafiyat marketing tu, I specifically said that a resilient company who always invest in performance project tu, dia reach out and dia build in. Kita kekurangan dekat build in tu ya, but we'll cover that sustainability in a different topic. Now, mana kita nak dapat resources for our project? Kita kena minta from sponsor. Sponsor is the budget manager lah ya. Kalau kata sebab bila company ni dia buat annual business plan, setiap function atau setiap department tu telah diberi bajet inisiatif. Ya, dan orang yang ada LOA, limit of authority, maksudnya dia can approve certain level of project, be a sponsor for some of the projects under him lah. Okay, so kalau kata di dalam Olive House, sebagai contoh lah saya ambil, top management selalunya jadi sponsor, kemudian we have HOD, dia kena jadi champion. Kemudian dalam HOD tu ada dia punya unit-unit dia selalu jadi driver, and custodian ni tak semestinya mereka tetapi orang atau department yang mereka serve. At the end of the project, you will hand over your project to the custodian. So are you clear about the sponsor, champion, driver and custodian? Boleh? Alright. Okay, so that's about the alignment of project to our organisation. This is very important for managers and consultant to understand this. Ya, kita bukan sekadar kita bukan kontraktor yang buat tapi tak tahu maknanya, kita tak tahu kat mana placementnya. Kita adalah orang yang bertanggungjawab sepenuhnya terhadap semua investment yang dilakukan oleh organisasi kita. Kita bertanggungjawab untuk memastikan investment tu ada return of ROI apa? Return of investment. Yes, ya. Investment. Kita ada return of investment, and that return of investment tu dia hendaklah berulang-ulang menjadi satu virtuous cycle yang menambah baik syarikat. Okay, so that is this part, right? Project element. So apa yang ada di dalam project ni? First thing first, scope and deliverables. So daripada solution yang kita buat semalam, kita dapat scope lah tu. Kita dah dapat dah scope apa yang kita nak improve for our organisation. The next thing is to have a project team. Project team is different from implementation team. So kalau macam task force tu, dia ada 6-7 orang aja task force team. Dan task force ni dia akan pergi bergerak dengan dia punya resources dia yang lain untuk hasilkan solution atau idea atau input atau apa sahaja yang diperlukan, kemudian dibawa balik ke dalam task force tu untuk disusun semula untuk menjadi satu change program yang lengkap lah ya. So what I'm trying to say is dalam project team kita, our role is different from implementation team. But most importantly, project team ni adalah yang committed sampai closing of the project. Dah close dah project, baru kita boleh dismantle our team. Okay. However, implementation team hanya akan datang during that specific time frame yang kita perlukan mereka untuk mereka hasilkan sesuatu. So are you clear about that project team? Boleh? Okay, right. Next, each of the project team has a role and responsibility. Okay, so I would like to use a contoh yang kita guna untuk task force yang kita ada ya. Contohnya first role as a leader. Siapa akan jadi leader kepada task force ni ataupun project ni, the project leader ya. Kalau musim biasa, kalau bukan kerana special crisis ni, kita pun tak panggil task force, kita hanya panggil project je lah. Kan, kita hanya panggil project team lah, driver. Tapi sebab dia dah terkeluar daripada kita punya track asal, maka kita menjadikan dia task force. Dia macam ni, if you are appointed, you are forced to be in. Itu namanya task force. Okay, alright. Dia akan kata congratulations, ya, you have been appointed as a member of a task force. Therefore, you are forced to deliver the task. Okay, alright. That is number one, leaders. And then, what are the team members that you need? First, you need a scheduler. Yeah, so you need a leader. You need scheduler. Orang yang atur you punya Gantt chart, bila meeting, bila deliver apa, siapa deliver apa, when to sit again, what's the progress, how much money you needed, how much have we used. So these are called scheduler. Okay, scheduler ni dia akan berkawan dengan kita nama resource investigator. Resource investigator ni adalah team member yang tahu kat mana nak cari apa. Contohnya macam kalau kita kawan dengan Faidi, kita kata, oh kita perlukan kelulusan apa ni, Faidi tolong tengok kan. So resource investigator ni adalah orang yang mencari-cari resources around to help the project. Okay, dia kena ada network yang besar, dia kena jenis yang macam Ayub ke, macam Yusri ke, orang yang pandai influence, sales semua ni ya. Dia punya orang kata apa, mulut manis lah ya, nak minta kat orang ni. Dia kena, that is the resource investigator punya traits. And then apa dia?
Pandai bunga tu pandai.
Itulah senang depan ni minta tolong apa pun. Okey, kemudian yang penting juga di sini kita panggil idea plant. Plant ni bukan pokok, plant ni kilang. Ya, plants. Ya. So plant ni, idea plant ni kerja dia kena pi berjumpa dengan a group of people to come up with the idea of how to solve the problem. So bila you dah come up with the solution apa semua, sometimes you still need to do validation. Kan? Contohnya you kata okay, kita punya work from home punya result is not so good. It looks like everybody just working 30 to 40% of their capacity, whereby there are few people been working for 200 and 300% of their capacity. So you say that you pun dah buat dah situational assessment, berapa kerugian, berapa apa semua, and then you pun dapatlah the green light from the management. Okay, let me see here who I can pick name. Siapa okay, T. So the management say, now T, we give you this project to increase manpower productivity yang work from home ni, katakanlah contoh So now you pun form your people apa semua, and you must have your idea plant meet with your focus group. Ya, idea plan ni dia kena berjumpa dengan focus group, validate, tanya apa semua. Kalau perlu nak kata nak buat root cause sekali lagi just to get buy-in. And remember kan kita punya apa influence model tu, kita kata kat sini kita kena cari kita kena cari conviction, dan kita punya target audience pula kalau jenis dia tu jenis consulting kan, kalau tengok influence teknik tu kan yang appealing to friendship, social apa semua, dia suka sangat bila dia terlibat sebagai focus group, kemudian idea dia tu digunakan di dalam solution. Ya, contohnya bila orang semua bising tentang apa IKS SME punya package yang dari kerajaan tu, katanya tak holistik lah, tidak buat pertimbangan betul lah. Kemudian satu menteri di dalam Kementerian Ekonomi ke apa ke telah dilantik untuk bentangkan solution. So what these people did, dia pun bergerak, dia pun mencari idea from the ground. So dia pun bergerakkanlah dia punya focus group dan juga ada yang dia collect secara random saja untuk dia form the solution. So that is the idea plan. Okay, so we have leader, we have scheduler, we have idea plan. We need a secretary. Okay, kita perlu secretary ni untuk menulis minit-minit ya. Dan juga sekarang ni role secretary ni bukan setakat minit saja, dia kena buat log. Dia adalah knowledge management di dalam sesuatu project management. Okay, sebab kalau dokumen ya cikgu. Anything?
Tak apa, you complete this part, nanti nak tanya satu soalan.
Okay. So we are saying that people who take minutes, dia bukan setakat take minute, dia adalah juga the document controller for the whole project. Apa sahaja project evidence. Remember we learn about interview technique masa hari situational assessment tu. Semua dokumen yang you ambil data daripada clients tu semua, dokumen controller ni lah yang kena simpan. Ya, untuk jika berlaku apa-apa, kita boleh refer balik dengan very efficient and mudah kita move forward. So these are the few important role yang kena ada di dalam the project team. Okay, alright. Next is your resources. Project yang you nak buat ni, resources ni senanglah. Resources ni selalunya kalau buat bangunan, bata, simen tu semua tu resources lah ya. Also human, at least this juncture ni kita differentiate between subject matter expert and the worker ataupun kita panggil resources ya, dia beza sikit. Subject matter expert use one and when needed. Ya, contohnya kita ada COP ke apa kan, kita hanya guna dia untuk sejam 2 jam semasa tengah buat the solution ataupun tengah idea plan tadi tu, tengah buat dia punya solution. But they are the full time pun ada juga. So contohnya Encik Solihin buat project automation kan, programmer dia tu resource, tetapi subject matter expert contohnya kalau dia tengah nak buat CRM, jadi dia kena jumpalah subject matter expert dalam CRM tu untuk tengok feature-features di dalam solution itu. So that is the difference between these resources ya. Next,
Can I interrupt?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Before we move further, the role and responsibilities part, I want to ask you, can we say that irrespective of the size of the projects, that we should have the role given to different individuals Or we can say that depending on the projects, if it is big, then it is okay. If it is a smaller project, maybe one person can actually hold up to 2 or 3 rules and responsibilities. So that will be my question one. The second question is that there are the list of responsibilities for this each role, right? So are we having the responsibilities inside here ataupun macam mana? You have to go deeper with you later.
Okay, right. What you say is right, ya. Kalau lah kata projek tu kecil, projek team tu 3 orang masing-masing lah ambil, ya. All the role. Okay. The important thing is the role, the functions, yeah, so that all the project deliverables and outcome and project responsibilities are fulfilled. So no matter, tak kisahlah kalau seorang satu ke, contohnya idea plan, maybe you ada 5. Ya, scheduler, kalau projek besar-besar macam di Petronas kita ada turnaround, scheduler ada 3. Kan, so it depends on the size of your project, ya, but the role must be there. Ini minimum role lah ni, banyak lagi role-role lain yang ada kat dalam tu, ya, but this is minimum role yang every project must think of who will handle this role. Kalau ada role ni yang kita tak perform, kita takut nanti masuk dalam root cause kita. Kenapa projek ni fail? Kerana role ni tak ada orang perform. So whatever we do, we must think that jangan, kalau gagal, make sure benda tu tak timbul dalam root cause analysis. Kalau tidak, tak jadi consultant lah. Kan? Because you already know the possible failure, still you did not do anything to prevent it from happen. So that's one thing lah. Okay, so timeline. Most presenting in Gantt chart. Okay, so ada project timeline yang termasuk implementation, ya. Dia ada design, dia ada implementation timeline, ya. Dia ada tahu lah, kalau macam IT banyak lah, handover lah, apalah semua. So in your timeline tu, all the key milestone must be there. Kita tengok nanti, I will go through a little bit on how to do this. Next is costing, berapa harga batu simen apa semua, then we have to put in. So benda ni, costing, timeline and resource ni cantik lah kalau kita guna project management software. Ya. Tapi dalam kali ni saya tak ceritalah project management software ni, kalau sebab project management alone can take a good 3 to 4 days to master the programming. But I will just show you. Kalau tak pakai apa project management tak apa, pakai kita punya stage gate pun cukup dah. Janji ada tarikh, ada deadline, ada deliverables, ada PIC. That is the key thing yang kita kena masukkan dalam kita punya Gantt chart. Alright. Then reporting. How are these task force reporting to the sponsor and the champion? Macam mana dia nak report? Monthly, ya?
Nak tanya saya pasal costing ni. When we talk about costing for project management ni, is it the cost untuk operate the team ataupun the whole cost untuk run the whole project?
Good question. Dia ada 2 jenis cost kat sini. Satu project team punya cost, kan? Alright. Satu adalah implementation. Contohnya kalau kita buat MRT, besar sikit lah projek buat MRT kan. So cost buat MRT tu satu. Cost project management, manage project tu asing pula, which the industry has its own standard of percentage from total cost. Maybe 5% ke 7% from total cost. So kalau kata project tu 1 bilion, mereka pun adalah 1 juta, 2 juta kat dalam tu to manage the 1 juta, 2 juta sikit sangat kot, no? Maybe 10 juta ke to manage that project. Tu kalau project yang big scale. Kalau project yang small scale ni full time staff, contohnya HOD Olive House, HOD Ayam Bismi. Diorang just tak ada cost apalah, because it's actually considered as on top of dia orang punya JD. This considered as dia orang punya initiative, and when the initiative give good impact and company yang dapat increase profit ke revenue ke, they will be rewarded by bonuses or other incentive. So that's how it is lah. Okay, and since Anwar tanya, bila kita bercerita tentang changing human, janganlah lupa cost untuk motivate the resource tu. Contohnya lah kan, projek apa? Megah katakan. Projek megah, bila nak buat event megah tu, the event team tu, diorang pun ada diorang punya token, so masukkan juga di dalam cost tu. Ya, so costing ni jangan terlupa yang we are managing human. Human not just buruh, not labor, or you know, we think that ni semua apa tak ada perasaan, tak. So we must include that. Same goes with timeline. Pastikan office hour tu betul ya. When you calculate the project, janganlah calculate working hour sampai 15 jam sehari kan. And then on Sabtu Ahad. So when you do your project timing tu, be human as possible, but I'm not saying that be human then you cannot stress yourself. Cuma I kata when you do plan for the best ya. Sebab bila kita execute nanti kita tak tahu ada benda-benda lain yang kita kena stretch ourselves with. So kalau kita tak ada buffer langsung di dalam projek kita, we fear that kita over stress. Okay, stretch is okay. Stress is not okay. Right, then the report.
Bila kita tengok dekat timeline dengan resources ni Jas kan, see we have already formed satu team. Is it a common practice that team ni dia hanya fokus dekat this project sahaja? Maknanya if they have their day-to-day task, mereka patut di pulled out from the day-to-day task, ataupun no, you still do your normal task tapi maybe a certain portioning of the working hours tu you focus kat project je. So normally how's the?
Yeah, very good question. Dia ada level task tu. Selalunya kalau you punya project tu level yang ini, selalunya kita akan ada PM office, project management office, PMO asing. Sebab mereka ni walaupun buat projek full time mereka punya projek ni. So orang yang macam ni, kalau you pull resources from your current org chart, you kena minta bos dia release for that period of the project untuk dia sit in PMO office to settle dia punya transformation whatsoever lah. Okay, so nanti bila kita lalui nanti our transformation nanti, you will see that people will be put into different interim org chart kita panggil yang ada PMO ni. However, most performance level punya dia duduk kat sini. So selalunya performance punya gap closing ni semua boleh dibuat dengan staff atau team tersebut dedicate seminggu 4-5 jam khas untuk this project. Sama ada dia nak team tu nak buat satu hari 1 jam atau take the whole Friday, the whole Wednesday, it's up to the creativity of the leader lah. So that's how it's being done. Okay? Alright? Wow, that's a good question Kalau apa tak tanya saya pun tak terfikir kan nak cerita. Because there's many things to cerita. Project documentation, project management, stage gate kena dokumen, minutes kena dokumen, approval kena ni, receipt pembelian apa semua sebab nanti nak justify your ROI. Kemudian SOP manual checklist apa yang you promise kepada you punya custodian. Ya, you kata okay kalau kita buat sistem ni then you have one automation system, this is your manual how to operate that system, and this is what show the whole project documentation mesti ada dan siap ya. This is also another thing dekat kita punya Malaysia practice ni, buat apa pun kita tak dokumen. Jadi bila in the future kita hadapi masalah yang sama lebih kurang, kita tak ada reference, kita tak ada knowledge management. Okay. And for projects that is scheduled every 2-3 years, contoh projek seperti turnaround company oil and gas, manufacturing semua, dia ada macam setahun nanti kena tutup dan do full maintenance ke apa semua. Every year before you even start again your punya scheduling apa tu semua, you refer balik, dia panggil lesson learned. Okay. So if you see dalam project BIPC specifically, kita ada Azni dengan Wafa who follow through. BIPC ni untuk diorang dokumen apa yang berlaku hari-hari and apa yang berlaku tu menyebabkan result apa. So bila kita nak start campaign satu lagi, Ayub, Faidi, siapa yang game marketing, kena refer this, kena baca balik dokumen BIPC ni supaya kempen kita yang kedua lebih baik dari kempen pertama. So if we do not do this, we have no idea how we improve our projects. Yeah, so that is one of very important lesson learn ni sangat important. Saya masa dulu di Petronas, I'm one of the person who have to be responsible of project document under knowledge management and whatnot. So we do lessons learn bila kita buat lesson learn tu, and then kita make sure lah the next turn around atau project tu kita tak repeat that problem. 12 years lah, 6-7 years after that my company call back kata Jess, this time we really want to do a good turnaround, so I want you to facilitate us on our project management again. So I said first thing first, let's learn from our lesson learning. So I see that dokumen I yang pada tahun 2004-2005 tu masih diguna pakai sebagai reference untuk the next 5-6 years, and they build up the lesson learn punya database. That's how they improve project every time. So lesson learn is the knowledge capital that you gain from your project. Not so orang kata if you fail a project then it's norm lah, kan? Tapi if you fail a project and you did not learn anything, then you are a dumb. So better you not be a norm or you want to be a dumb. So make sure project kita document, at least kita gagal, kita ada pengajaran.
That lesson learned ni versus postmortem, is it the same or there's something different?
Lebih kurang sama lah, lebih kurang lah. That's the same purpose lah, Okay, so of course the last one is the stage gate approval from one another. Okay, project scoping, adakah project you termasuk design? Atau bukan design, you kena develop je? Atau tak develop, you hanya execute saja? Adakah termasuk monitoring and reporting your clients nak? Ada tak termasuk assessment? Kena buat maintenance tak dalam project tu? Do they request for any documents adakah dokumen tu kena hard copy or soft copy? Kemudian design macam lain, as built macam lain. Contohnya IT lah kan, buat architecture tapi bila dia pergi buat dia punya programming, coding semua ada challenges sini-sini, dia kena so dia kena dokumen balik as built dia, so that it can be continuity to the rest perlu buat mock ke? Kena buat model, kena buat prototype ke? Tak payah. Dan dalam project you ada after sales service ke? And whether you need conceptual. So these are the deliverables yang you kena clearly identify dalam your project scoping lah, as a general lah ni Alright, once you have the deliverables, the next thing is for you to look at what you need to do to deliver that output. What are the activity to deliver? Contohnya, di dalam kita punya task force yang baru ni, new business model ni, one of the deliverables adalah new supply chain. So untuk new supply chain ni, our idea plant, Hafiz pun berjumpa lah dengan tim dia untuk dapat the new supply chain. So aktiviti dia adalah conduct plan session lah. Panggil Syidah, panggil apa semua kan semalam to to get that. And Syidah pun ada task-task yang dia kena buat so that dia boleh berikan balik kepada aktiviti, dan therefore Hafiz pun boleh bawa semula the complete supply chain design kepada the whole task force. So this is very important. Once you buat task breakup macam ni, baru mudah you nak buat your Gantt chart. Okay? Any question on this? Okay, alright.
Tapi kalau ada time limitation,
Ada time.
setengah hari dah.
Itulah tu. Dia tak ada lama-lama. Masa tu juga buat task, masa tu goreng, masa tu buat sekali bungkus semua. Tu hantar. Hantar tu sampai-sampai je ustaz terus guna dalam meeting. Nah, ambil. Tak sempat dah. But
Apa nak fikir-fikir lagi.
the speed, this is what I love to see changes in Olive House. The speed has improved so much, Syidah.
Yeah.
Maksudnya in just half day you guys are able to redesign the supply chain. Terror semua ni dah boleh angkut semua jadi consultant.
Consultant dah.
Tak ada barang nega apa, jual apa. Okay, so that's the speed. So if you do this many times, you can feel that is tak ada apa, biasa je ni ya. Okay, so the next thing yang tadi tu dah clear dah semua deliverable apa semua, the project team and the commitment lah ya. Ni benda-benda yang kita tengok yang kita kena isi dalam stage gate nanti. Contohnya project manager, secretary, scheduler, who subject matter expert, siapa module developer contohnya kalau project IT, and who ada quality assurance ya, make sure deliverables tu sebelum kita pass kepada klien kita dah dicek quality-nya. Okay. So that's the thing ya. Okay ke? You guys listen okay? Dengar okay ke? Okay, alright. Ada apa?
Okay.
Sebab ada ni signal suruh I okay lah, alright. So sambung. Okay, project scope, delivery, deliverables, activity task, masukkan muka-muka orang-orang yang kena deliver apa semua. And then kerusi, meja, simen, bata, pekerja, subject matter expert, consultant, machine, material, dewan, pelamin, bunga telur apa semua. All these are the resources that you need. You just have to put them. Just contoh, tak tahu lah contoh apa ni, rasanya kenduri kahwin punya project kot. So you will see that these are the things that you must identify, resources that you must identify, and you must know the rate for the day. Now when you work as a project, you must always go for daily rate. Ya. Tapi kalau dia operation, maksudnya asal usul dia dari projek, dia telah dinaik taraf menjadi satu operation atau function, rate dia sudah bertukar. Okay, yang tadi ni adalah rate full time, lain. Ya, yang ni adalah daily rate, lain. So make sure you have dia panggil apa? Bukan bill of quantity kot, no? Yang kita kata ada resource, apa rate dia kan. So you have that, and make sure that rate tu you dapat approval daripada you punya management. You get the right guideline from your finance. Sebab company dia ada contohnya. Okay, for Olive House, subject matter expert per hour begini, per day begini. Tetapi bila kita engage dia for the longest 1 year contract, rate dia bertukar. So these are the things that important when you want to do resource planning for your project. Okay, alright. Ni project document. Ini level buat projek MRT lah ni ya. Banyak dia punya dokumen. Daripada initiation phase, planning, implementation and handover, inilah jenis-jenis dokumen yang dokumen controller kena siap. Okay, bukan kena put it inside the project punya dokumen. Ya. Banyak benda ni kita tak buat lah ni. That is why benda kena berulang kali buat dan berulang kali design. So dia tak jadi cepat untuk kita face the problem. Remember the Cuneiform framework we share yesterday morning? Kan? Projects ni selalunya level dia duduk di complicated. Ya. Bila dia dah banyak kali buat, dia sudah jadi operational, dia dah turun jadi simple. Ya. So for us to move from complicated to the simple, ya, contohnya masa project you are designing one cycle. Bila cycle pertama ni you dah you dah memang dapat result, then the management kata okay, let's fix this, ya, let's build capability on this. So now you kena hand over to the custodian tu kena repeat this process. So Solihin, bila kita buat SIPOC, bila kita buat project, what you do is you already automate the first cycle untuk your clients to achieve that results once kalau dia habis that cycle. Tetapi menjadi dia punya tanggungjawab, the custodian punya responsibility to make sure the results keep on coming by doing the same thing. So this is when benda dari project berubah menjadi operations. Bila dia ditransfer kepada custodian. Okay, so kita pula kadang-kadang kita project tu tak full handover to the custodian. So what management will think is next year will be expecting the same thing from you. Lepas tu kita kata ini bukan core job kita kan. Kenapa kita kena buat tiap tahun? Sebab kita tak dismantle our project dan inform management properly that we have handed over this project to the rightfully custodian. Yeah, so that is the tips in project lah. Okay. Okay, project resource costing. Ni ada kat sini resource planning, cost estimating, cost budgeting, cost control. Isi sajalah board bill of quantity ni dan dapatkan the right price range tu daripada your sponsor. Okay. Right. Now programming macam saya kata tadi, bila dah siap semua maklumat tadi, it's time for you to program it inside a project management punya software. Yang ni kita panggil project, Microsoft Project lah. My favorite is Microsoft Project. All my team pakai Microsoft Project. Tapi banyaklah pakai Primavera ke, Free Version ke, Excel ke, tak ada masalah. Yang ni nak menunjuk je, nak menunjuk canggih saja. Okay, tetapi I'm proud to see tim OH yang pergi ke training dulu ni, bila contohnya Syajib Firdaus kan, bila dia buat apa-apa pun dia terus pantas buat programming dalam project management dia. Terus dia buka task semua, okay siap, dan dia boleh execute dalam swift je. Sebab otak dia ni dah memang structure dah, scope, deliverable, activities, task, person in charge, apa, duit, apa semua dia dah dia program terus pada hari yang sama task force tu. Then that is excellent. Okay, means that you are getting into the result faster because you are competent in managing the project. Okay, so yang ni kalau kata dia ni self-learn je, project management ni, dia punya software ni senang aja. So I don't want to use this time to share. Alright. Dalam nota ni ada sikit-sikit. Now, project monitoring. This is the part where the task force meets every week or every scheduled day to check on the progress of the project lah. Ya. So yang ni pun boleh baca sendiri, tak ada masalah, ni minute meeting je macam mana dia nak ni. Takut masa ni dah pukul 10 minit dah. Now, communication very important. Who's the stakeholder that you have to communicate? So rasi, kita ada rasi and rasi. Who's responsible? Responsible ni orang yang buat driver tu. Who's accountable? Accountable ni kalau kita tengok tadi tu, obviously the champion, obviously the sponsor, and if the project is in the department, dia punya boss lah yang accountable. Yeah. And then C stands for consult. Yeah. Kadang-kadang HR nak buat sesuatu, dia kena pergi consult operation, dia kena pergi consult itu, kena consult ini, so that is consult. And I is inform. Macam kita lah nak menjalankan operasi during COVID-19, kita pergi inform, katalah balik polis lah apa semua. So that is to inform, rasi. And ada setengah company dia tambah sikit, resist. Agak-agak S tu apa? Agak-agak the last S tu apa? Okey, saya simpan ni untuk kelas kita esok. Nak bagi orang pergi kelas esok tu. Alright, okay. Then handover. Handover very important. Yang ni paling lemah dalam kebanyakan projek, especially internal project. Tak ada sign off, tak ada project filing index, tak ada lesson learn, tak ada closure on procurement tu. Subject matter expert yang kita hire tiap-tiap bulan tu nak berhenti dah ke ataupun nak simpan, kan? Kemudian you tak release, you tak dismantle the resources, ya. Contohnya kita tengok nanti BIPC, habis BIPC 14 hari bulan ni, kita nak tengok closing ni macam ni. So Wafa dah?
Wafa kan dalam BIPC kot.
Oh, Wafa dalam BIPC. Okey, hari ni ramai orang kat BIPC. Okey, tak apa, nanti dia akan tengok video ni, dia akan dengar. So people who are in the BIPC project, kan diorang tengah meeting ni lagi, and they have already a few days. What happen dalam BIPC tu, contohnya tengah-tengah buat projek tu mereka memerlukan lagi bajet ke apa, jadi tu semua pun kita dah maklum. Jadi perubahan bajet, tak cukup bajet apa tu semua kita masuk dalam kita punya records, supaya nanti projek kedua kita tahu dah nak bajet apa. Ya, kalau tidak kita tak complete kita punya kita tak improve kita punya project. Okay, so that's on the ni. So kalau kita dalam internal ataupun projek kita bukan macam buat MRT ke, bukan projek besar-besar sangat yang memerlukan complexity in management semua, kita pakai stage gate is good enough. Okay, stage gate ni macam biasa kita kata awal-awal buat situational assessment, dari situational assessment you jumpa problem. So you isi lah stage gate 1, and then dalam stage gate 1 ni you isi ni semua, you pun minta lah your management punya approval, get a sponsor for yourself so that you can get resources. So once your stage gate pertama dah approve, baru you do stage gate 2, which is you buat the root cause analysis and solution. Ya, dah buat dah root cause analysis, solution, you design already your solution. Now you have to do project programming. Okay, dalam project programming ni adalah you want to manage your milestone deliverables with your resources. Okay, so yang ni pun once you get the approval, you start kick off your project, and last but not least you measure your ni. So kalau dalam ni, kalau tadi tu cerita panjang lebar semua tu project management as a whole, yang stage gate ni aplikasi dalam organisasi, so it becomes simple and executive level, senior technician level ya pun boleh buat. Ya, tak perlu nak ada management project management certification ke, tak payah. Pakai stage gate je, most of